Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys two quick ways which you can check your car charging system. And one of the first method is the battery light that displays on your dash whenever you turn the key to the on position before starting your car. And here is the battery light I'm talking about, which we are going to use in the confirming if the charging system is actually okay or not. So with this battery light on the dash, whenever you turn on your car ignition or you turn on your car key to the on position, it comes on, and whenever you start the car, it should go off. And now I've started the vehicle and the battery light went off. That means the car charging system is good. And if you start the car and the battery light stays on while driving or when the engine is on, that means your car charging system needs attention. The alternator may not be charging the battery. So that is actually the first method of checking your car charging system. And now let me talk about the second step. First, you grab your multimeter, then plug the black probe into the COM port, and this is it. That is the common ground slot. And that is it. And it goes to the minus terminal of the battery. That is where it goes to. Okay, then the next, you grab the red probe, then plug it into the port marked with V for voltage. Then you touch the red probe to the positive battery terminal, and this is it, the positive battery terminal. Now next, turn your multimeter to DC volts, usually shown as V, with a straight line and dashed line under it, and this is it. I've turned it and placed it at V. Now the next step is to start the vehicle. So the reading should climb up to around 13.8 to 14.5 volts. That is a sign your alternator is charging the battery properly. If it stays below 13 volts, your alternator might not be charging. And if it goes over 15 volts, it could be overcharging. So let's see the charging reading on the multimeter, and here it is, 13.82 volts, and this is a sign that your alternator is charging the battery properly. So now let's put the charging system under a little pressure. I will switch on the AC and the headlights while the engine is running. Then we are going to watch the multimeter reading if it's going to drop slightly, and if it's going to drop slightly, it should be around 13.5 to 13.6 volts. That is still within the safe charging range, which means the alternator is strong enough to withstand the extra load. So let's see the reading and see what is going to pop up, what is going to show. Okay, now you see within the range of 13.5 to 13.6 volts. That is to say the charging system is still within a safe range. And if it had dropped way below 13 volts, that would be a sign of the alternator being weak and the charging system not being okay. So, and that is how you check your car battery charging system with and without load. Remember, a healthy system should read between 13.8 and 14.5 volts. If it reads 15 volts, and that is overcharged. And even with the AC and lights on, it should stay above 13 volts. If yours doesn't, it may be time to check your car charging system. Thanks so much for watching Auto Fix with Emmanuel. If you found this video very helpful, please comment, please like, and please subscribe for more auto tips. Thanks once again for watching.